My husband brought home a whole lot of plants today, so I'm pretty excited to get them ready for the new shelf that we've got up. First thing to do is just to make sure they've all got saucers. Some of the plants from the nursery don't come with saucers, so they're a must for our house. I'm just putting those in. And next thing will be just to take off the hanging strips from the hanging basket plants. I won't be needing those because they are going on a shelf this time. So it's quite a tricky little thing to do. You've got to squeeze the little clips just to get them off. I've got a couple to do there. Let's take them over to the shelf. It's just a new pine shelf that we've put in. I really like it. We've got a couple of them around the house. And the plants look really nice on them. So I like to always go for an odd number of plants on the shelf, so this time I'm going to go for 5. And whenever I get new plants, I always like to water them because I find sometimes they can be quite dry depending on which nursery you get them from. So we're going to do a little watering just to settle them in. I don't have like a specific number of mils that I put in there. I just sort of count to 1, 2, 3 or something in my head, and then that's it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed having a look at my shelf. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I'll chat to you in the next video. Bye.